cutting their wheat to turn it into hay, because this field has been getting later and later, and so it's been making it harder to get the corn planted. So if they get the wheat off of it, then they can go ahead and do their corn. Yeah, we can go that way. You know what? Let's not go that way. Let's go past it and go down to the next one. Get you on the caliche less time. Big water tanks, just like in the North Pasture, huh? What a good boy. Actually, we can go down this way and stay off the caliche completely. And we'll just be on the caliche road that doesn't have as many rocks in it. But we do get to go down next to the stinky manure. Today's drive is close to 4 miles. That's a good boy. Keep moving. Add a little bit of phone video while we're at it. Not quite to the road yet, son. We have Gale out. This is his first drive with shoes, and since he has shoes on, we were able to go a different direction. I like going this direction because there are a lot of scary boogers down this direction. And he is such that he handles them just fine. If he's really scared of something, he'll stop and look at it, figure it out, and then go on. And up ahead we have a number of scary boogers. We'll see what he has to say about them, since we kind of have to go through the middle of them. Oops, sorry. I want to go around those. No, not to it, around it. What a good boy. Yep. Couldn't care less. No big deal. No big deal. He says, "Oh, I know this road. This is where we go home." Not yet, it isn't. You ready to go through puddles, are you? And we will do that before we're done today. We are hoping you have a great day. We sure are. You want to go in the mud, huh? Hi there. I'm out driving. I'll call you back. Bye. You gonna walk on Nikki? Do you want to see what those puddles are? You can put your foot in the water. It's okay. What a good boy. Now, he doesn't mind the ruts with water, but he does mind the dry ruts. They worry him some, and that's smart on his part. Come on, let's working trot. Down here at the corner, there'll be some big puddles. Working trot. You, up there in front. No traffic. No traffic. Oh, this is not where the puddles are. They're in the next road over. We may have to make a left turn here. And it's good. He doesn't know where home is, so he's not going to be fussing to go toward home. There isn't even a big puddle. It's just a tiny puddle. I want you to go through it. Well, I went through it. That's all right. We'll find other puddles to go through over by the house. Did that dirt spot almost get you? Mm-hmm. Let's working trot. This is good solid surface. I can trot on this. Stay relaxed. I'm glad you guys can't smell that. That big pile of manure over there. By the smell. I'm glad he can. I can't. Once they cut this weed on our right, I'll be able to drive through there and take him out through the big puddle, which may or may not still exist by then. Right there, young man. Quit fussing, though. trimmed his whiskers. This family is very, very particular about their whiskers. They hate the wind in their whiskers, and they tend to toss their heads and fuss, and it's not a pleasant experience for anybody. Seeing red-winged blackbirds and red and yellow-winged blackbirds. Working trot. Well, there's not much puddle left. Hopefully there will still be some there by the time they get the wheat cut so we can go through it. Working trot.